A Zillion. Oh my god. Just watch for that Zillion ult. Don't bother nuking whatever it's got it.
Yeah.
Well, I try to close down Skype. And done.
I haven't opened my Skype since I loaded up TeamSpeak for the tournaments.
I'm making it so that way I only have my Google Chrome open. That way, League loads faster. Since it's got Windows 10 supporting this, it's gonna make it hard for me to load things.
Well, you can always set it for compatibility mode.
Compatibility mode?
Yeah, so that your programs run in, like, say, Windows 7 compatibility.
Oh, really? How do I do that?
Well, you
can
go to
show
properties.
Me how to do that later. You can show me how to do that after this game.
It's actually quite simple. You go to properties and then go find the compatibility mode tab.
Okay.
I have cookies.
That every time I like try to start something, sometimes a YouTube video acts really laggy. Like, I have to give it a bit for
User joined your channel.
Any video player, really.
Hello.
So far, no. It made my League of Legends screen a little different. Like, it doesn't.
Oh God, honey.
What?
He's back.
Oh, that's okay. He can't talk in here.
Your wizard? I'm pretty sure if he comes back,
No, he's in here, but he has no talk permissions. So.
Yeah.
Oh, he somehow got in here?
I opened it up.
Oh.
Mine is passworded.
Okay. So he can get in here, he just can't talk.
Yeah.
Yep.
So Wizard's in here?
Yep.
Yes.
Oh.
It doesn't matter. Carry on with your day.
Okay. I'm going to smite him later on.
Slash smite. Minecraft reference.
Yep.
Cretan is very slowly loading. I think he forgot to plug in his toaster.
Wow.
My toast takes a while to make its bread.
Poke that hamster, see if it's awake, man. It's not spinning that wheel.
No, it's not. It never does. It's a very old hamster. Just doesn't want to.
It's either that or your abacus has just dropped a bead or something.
Geriatric hamster.
So, I really want a newer computer, but I really don't have the money to do it.
Welcome to the club.
Maybe someone will give me a new computer for my birthday, but I doubt it.
You can hope. You can hope.
Like next
I got two gaming consoles. I got one that sits beside me. It's actually better than the one I'm using, but I'm not even using it.
Why?
I don't know. I built it for my nephew, and he moved. I sent him away, so.
No.
You sent your nephew away? Where'd you send him to?
Well, I'm in Queensland in Australia up the top, and I sent him all the way down to Tasmania. I was like, I don't know. It's ages away.
Yeah.
He was being a bit
do
naughty.
Anything. I tried kicking him from the channel, but I don't have enough permissions to do so.
Do you want me to move him?
No.
No, he doesn't have talk permissions.
If he's still in here, I'll move him.
I heard someone leave.
No, he's gone. He's gone.
Alright. He probably got sick of us talking badly about him, so he left.
Or he just realized he couldn't talk and couldn't annoy us.
Really, that's the only brown skin you don't have?
Yeah.
Wow, why do you not have it? Do you not like it?
Never bought it. Never bothered to.
Yeah, to be honest, it doesn't look all that amazing.
I have Cryocore.
Zombie one's better.
It won't let me buy that when I tried buying it.
You gotta hopefully get it in a mystery skin then.
Yeah, or wait till Halloween.
Thresh.
Or wait till the Howling.
Oh, yeah.
What's your PC specs, man? You're at 66%.
Yes, I am at 66%.
I have a horrible processor, but
it's basically my motherboard's on the ready to go anytime. It's just I'm waiting to get thermal grease, and yeah, that's basically it. So I can change over to a different motherboard.
Oh, he's talking about your computer. Okay, all right.
Yeah.
I was talking about my computer. My computer is a crappy little laptop that my grandma bought. And it's like, this is a gaming laptop. And I'm like, Grandma, you don't know a thing about computers.
Go back to the screen with the clouds on it.
User joined your channel.
Truthfully, the only character that I'm truly worried about is Zillion Fiddlesticks.
A wizard has entered the channel, but it cannot talk.
It is a mute wizard.
Yeah.
Is he back again?
It's a silent wizard. The silent wizard has returned.
That's okay.
It's okay, the silent wizards are the best kind.
No.
Hey, I'm
silent.
loading properly now.
Yeah.
I just alt tab and play other games while I wait.
Rude wizard, because that's what he is, rude. Or maybe the grouchy wizard. Yeah, that works too.
Annoying.
Oscar the Grouchy Wizard. Butthole Wizard, also known as Beaker.
It's loaded, finally.
Who am I again? Annie. Okay.
Who am I playing? It's been so long since I saw.
I'm just gonna start with a I'm gonna build a rod of sin. A bit of rod.
I'm gonna build something.
Effects, how neat. He throws chairs.
Health.
Magical energy chairs.
Power chairs to the rescue.
Oh no, it's back to the Howling Abyss.
Yeah, it's all gone. In a way, I'm gonna miss it. In a way, I'm not gonna miss those creepy shark bucktooth poro things.
I try to get people to feed it to 10 to see what it will do, but no one ever feeds it to 10.
I got it to 10 once, but it didn't do anything.
Oh, it just looks really big.
Yes, it was really huge.
I know the poros explode. And create tons of tiny poros.
A bloodthirsty creature and try to attack us.
They go up into the air and they explode.
Do they?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Silence! I kill you!
Look out, get away from me!
I'm a little girl with a bomb! Run!
And a teddy bear, don't forget the teddy bear.
I won't forget your teddy bear.
I'm doing my job, I got stun ready again.
I need to remember that I have a heal. I can fix your brokenness.
Beautiful flash.
Yeah.
Why do I keep hitting Braun? Your hitbox is so big!
Let me clear that bush.
Oops!
Got him.
Hey, he was silenced! How did he do that?
I tried to protect your Donna, but she just wouldn't go away and just died.
I don't have enough ability power, my heal does nothing!
Still most of the time. It's kinda creepy.
Look at Shyvana. Show us another flash, buddy. TikTok.
Tick tock, the arena's a clock. Sorry, I've watched way too much Hunger Games.
Get him.
Eh.
Okay, I'm gonna die.
It's okay, your mustache will save you.
Pull up a chair.
Oh, that's right, I need to feed a Poro and make him grow strong.
Which one are we feeding?
A strong Russian Poro, the one with the mustache on it.
I haven't gained any on a mustache yet. I don't even see any Poros. Oh, there's one. Okay.
What did they do? Make the Poros go extinct?
What?
Extinction of the Poros.
That'd be a sad day for Poros.
It would be a sad day for Poros.
There,
Watch the bush.
Mustache.
The broom-stashed Poro. Hey! Get away, I'm trying to feed the Poro! They don't respect the Poro feeding rituals.
No, Fiddlesticks never does.
User left your channel.
Goodbye, user.
No, user left the channel.
That's what I said, goodbye, user.
Probably legendary again.
Probably. He's gonna get so frustrated that he can't talk.
Probably.
Maybe he'll just leave us alone.
He's yelling out to his mum right now. Mum, they won't listen to me. They won't let me talk.
Maybe you should stop being a faggot once in a while. Maybe
Oh my
people will
god,
love you.
wasted stun on the minion.
Ow! Ow! I'm objecting to this. Bad touch.
Fiddlesticks is very annoying.
Super aggro.
Ah, everyone's so fast. I'm so slow. I can't get near him.
No, no.
Get him. He's dead. Watch the bomb.
Kill secured.
Oh. Oh, come on.
Oh, come on. Why didn't it kill him? Someone threw a snowball at Rob. That's not very nice.
User joined your channel.
Powerful energy chairs to the rescue. Ah, mana.
I heard it.
Someone joined the user.
Yeah, user joined. That would be legendary again. I have no mana. Oh, there we go. Silence! Stay there! Yeah! Double kill!
They were trying to kill me, but it didn't really work out for them.
I was hoping to get stuck in my silence. I'm out of mana again.
Throw your Q, I dare you.
I shall protect myself with my folding chair of doom. That is a big ass frickin' chair.
Got the chair!
I'm out of mana! This is not okay.
Oh, come on, I stunned them.
You did. I need that. Give me that.
It's okay, I got a lot of ages.
What the hell? No, no, bear, no! Everybody stay in there. Damn it!
Oh, Green disconnected.
What? Why did he do that?
It was getting quiet.
Oh my god, I nearly killed it.
User left your user in your channel.
Double.
Timed out.
I think his pooter crashed? Possibly. Possibly.
Yeah. The hamster died. It's a sad day.
It's a sad day for the hamster.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't see him anywhere. He left.
His computer probably totally pooped out.
Or maybe Wizard's trying to DDoS him.
I don't think he could spell DDoS.
It's a pure.
Oh.
Oh, okay, we got the scissor.
Ouch. Technically, he wasn't really doing anything.
No.
2 minutes.
I will be the tanky Raka.
What's this?
Can't touch this. Da na na na. Da na da na. Can't touch this. Da na na na. Hammer time. Oh wee oh wee oh. Broom, I shall comb your mustache. Nope. That was a poorly timed Shivanya jump.
Shivana was trying to
was
push me,
bad.
but it didn't really work out for her.
No, it didn't.
Oh my god, look at that dive. What's he
User
thinking?
joined your channel.
Yeah.
Ooh, I'm out with my snowball.
Heals for the win. Boom. Ow! Who brought me the xylene bomb?
We can't hear you.
You can hear me. Oh, who can't we hear?
Wizard.
Oh.
Yeah.
I don't even think he has type permissions either. He just gets to sit there on perpetual timeout.
Oh, serious?
Get away from me, turret.
Oh, look at that TikTok. Nearly got him. I saved the tower.
You
It's
did.
got one-
You sure did. I shall save it now too.
Boom!
Nope. Silence.
Then I'm gonna get some magic resist.
Yeah, you get a health pot? I take it all back.
Got him.
No. Ah,
Got him.
I got the polar bear.
Oh, you stole the polar bear.
No, I secured the polar bear. See, I did it again.
Yeah.
Big difference from stealing and kill securing. Will you stop that?
What am I doing?
I can't protect you if you run in there.
Brom does good things.
Brom is Russian wearing tiger hat and chair. My Russian accent sucks, but whatever. And Brom. Get away! My chair is here for you. Silence! Health pot! Ah! Everybody have health. You guys' health is now mine! Wahahaha! Run! I can't save you!
I'm dead.
Oh, possibly me too?
We can't really do much of this.
Kill it. Yes.
I killed the scarecrow. I'll take some of that. And I'll take all of that. Then I'll do this. And then I'll do this. And then I'll do possibly this.
Heavy, we can't do much.
I am okay. No, I'm not. Keep that thing away from me. He's got Luden's Echo. That shit bounces.
Mine.
I licked it first. It's mine.
They're all in there.
They are hiding in that bush. Haha. Wah, I'm coming. No. Ugh. Poor Cretan. The lonely brand, playing with fire all by himself. No!
Land it.
Okay, I shall protect the tower.
Tried to do a W stun. I'm failing as Annie. No.
So are you guys gonna be attending the tournament tonight?
Probably.
I don't think I can attend tournaments anymore. Because I'm now a working recruiter here.
So you don't get to play? That's not fun.
Technically, I will. Which I do not mind at all. I could be fine those 22 win boosts.
I got one. I got a bomb. Here, have another one.
Thank you, appreciate that. That was great. You know. Go away!
Boom. Take that.
Thank you. They are so... Get away from me. Seriously, Brom? You brought me the bomb. What is wrong with you?
Because Brom loves you.
Broom loves you. Broom love you long time. I need them to group.
Oh, what hit me? Oh, what?
Okay, I'm dead. I have like 7 health.
We need your husband. Where can he be?
I don't know.
Tell him to hurry up and get back.
He's probably trying. His computer makes him very, very angry.
Oh, man. I feel him. I definitely
Oh, the heals.
He's down at the pet store at the moment, okay? He's getting a new hamster. You just wait for him to get down there, pick one out, one he likes, get home, and then train it to run the wheel. All be good.
He's gonna get several hamsters, and train them all at once.
it was even one of his ults.
It's gonna be like a quad hamster run.
The most powerful hamster computer ever.
I nearly got him. I nearly got the fiddles.
Oh, some health. It feels good. No, polar bear. Oh,
Stunned
the
him.
health.
What? Kill it!
Ah! The dragon bit my ass! Ah, where did everybody go? No!
Man, we'd be getting these guys if we had Rand.
I know. I think I can hear him stewing over there. I think I can hear the steam coming out of his ears. As he stresses because his computer exploded. That was my inhib, you little pricks. Just for that, you're not allowed to play anymore. Oops, I silenced Tristiana because it was fun. Watch out for the bomb.
Broom can take any bomb.
Go, Broom, go. Okay, how about I silence you, and then I toss one of these here, and then I pop one of those, and I run the hell away. I'm Soraka, I'm not built for this shit.
I don't have stun.
Usually
Got
when I'm Soraka, I build like
Got
tons
a
of
coach.
AD
Got him, coach.
for AP.
Kill secured.
Rom is here.
Oh, seriously? Seriously, Xylene? Can't find somebody else to throw your bombs at?
Oh my god, my ult!
I heard face mashing, like someone face rolled their keyboard.
Oh, he's back! Our savior has returned!
Yes, except he's so underleveled.
Completely, and that's the
No,
hamster.
it's
He's
fine.
connected the
All we
hamster.
have to do is the use of his ult.
There he goes.
And the hamster is spinning.
How was the trip to the pet store?
We weren't doing too bad for 4v5. Silence, fiddlesticks. Run! No, I'm gonna die.
Got him. Oh, what?
Yeah.
Kill secured. Kill secured.
Oh, I missed it. Crap. Hey, watch this. Batman.
No, Batman. I'm running. This is how Soraka runs away.
Come on, I nuked them. I gotta do more damage. What are they doing? ADC.
I don't know what they're doing. But at least we have Brand back now.
That's what they are doing. They're trying to look like Brom. They're trying to be like Brom.
They cannot be like Broom. They do not have the mustache. I'll take your health. Use it for my own. Go away, Shivanya!
Got the minion. Got it. Got it. Grr.
That's a dead scarecrow.
It is a very dead scarecrow. Oh, that snowball almost hit me. That would have been bad.
Pick the bush. Teddy bear.
Oh, don't want to be in there.
Kill it.
Kill it with fire!
Punched him with my Brom fist.
What happened to the chair?
He has to tape it back together. He's been hitting people too hard with it.
It's the vitamin punch.
Okay, I got stun built up. You ready? This? I'm gonna W stun this. No, my teddy bear.
Yeah! Everybody live! What did that Shivanya think she was doing? Really? What were you accomplishing, Dragon? What were you accomplishing?
Hey, watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Watch the moves. You ready? A pro move right here. I'm building it up in 2 seconds.
It better be a pro move. You've got us all in suspense now. Boom!
Got it. Got him, coach. Get away with the bomb. Oh my god.
Everybody lives. Oh, my ult's down. That blows. No, no, no! Ah!
You can't chase anyone. You're stunned.
Silly Scarecrow. Kills are for kids.
Ah. Come on, I nearly got 2. Oh, the Scarecrow too. Run. Just run for your life. You got snowball. No.
I at least tried to hurt them. I failed, but I tried.
You tried. It's not good enough.
I get the Try Hard award.
Nah.
But I want the Try Hard award. It's up to you, Tristan and Brand.
Get in there, Brand. I'm going too.
I'm a pretty little girl. I have a teddy bear. Oh my god, we nuke minions.
I got him. Pop! Got him.
You burnt the Scarecrow.
We can do this. We just need to keep pushing.
Oh, that hurt.
Now. Oh, we got Brand now.
I'm
Brandon,
coming! I'm coming!
Oh my god, that Shyvana. Get out, protect, get to the tower. Back to the tower. Heal, heal! Heal it!
Kill secured! Go! No! You shall be silenced!
Oh, he's dead too. Is it popped? Oh, 11 health.
Super minion! I don't wave clear! It's not my job! I have bananas of doom!
yes, the minions cannot handle your bananas.
No, they cannot.
They don't know how to de-throw the banana.
Come on,
They
just...
don't know what to do with the banana of doom.
I'm getting it. My health.
Have some more.
User
And
joined
some
your
more.
channel.
Welcome back, Brand! Did you get a new hamster? Ow, 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 this is gonna hurt.
That's what you do when you're Annie. Help me.
I'm trying!
Protect Annie.
Oh, I don't even care.
Oh my god.
Oh
come
god,
on.
I'm out.
There's only one left.
There's a lot of you left.
There we go!
Grr.
Now
Say thank-
push! Now push! It's a boy, push!
Thank you, Annie.
They can't handle my Del Monte bananas. Health spot's mine. I want it.
Grab the one behind.
Oh, okay. So did you get a replacement hamster? No, Fiddle. I said no.
Oh shit, fall back.
Damn it!
Boom! Kill it! Oh my god, that was so close to getting it, man. Wow, we just threw the game.
That's fine. We had fun doing it.
We got it, Brandon came in late.
Just say thank you. No! That's mine! Damn it!
Blame Brand, my bad.
We still got a win boost.
We had fun. We had fun. No, you... Yeah.
You have to win for that to work. Hence